Hello friends, welcome to my channel BES Physics. Now I am going to discuss current electricity part 4. So topic to be covered are relation between drift velocity and current, mobility of an electron, unit and dimensional formula of mobility. So let us discuss relation between drift velocity and current. Consider a cylindrical conductor of length L and cross-sectional area capital A. Let V be the applied potential difference across the ends of the conductor. Then electrons start moving from negative terminal towards positive terminal and current flows from positive towards negative terminal. This is the direction of electric field from positive to negative. The direction of electric field and direction of electron are opposite to each other. So as we know that current is equal to charge by time. But from quantization condition, Q is equal to Ne. Let capital N is the total number of electron and small n is equal to total number of electron per unit volume. As it is a cylindrical conductor, it has large number of cross-sectional area. So number of electron per unit volume is equal to N is equal to capital N divided by V. Therefore capital N is equal to small n into V. V is equal to volume. But volume is equal to area into length. That is capital N is equal to small n into volume is equal to AL. So from equation 2, Q is equal to Ne, putting the value of N, therefore Q is equal to N AL into E. So Q is equal to NALE. Let T be the time taken by the electron to cover L distance. This is the length of the conductor. L distance. So speed is equal to distance by time. Speed Vd, that is drift speed, is equal to distance L by time T. So T is equal to L by Vd. So putting the value of T, we get I is equal to Q by T. Q is equal to NALE divided by T. NALE divided by T is equal to L by Vd. Therefore I is equal to NAVD into E. LL cancel. So current is equal to NAVD. This is the relation between electric current and drift velocity. So I is equal to NAVD, but Vd is equal to E capital E by M into tau. So equation V3I becomes I is equal to Na E capital E by M into tau into small e. Therefore I is equal to Na E square tau E divided by M. This is the expression for current in terms of relaxation time and electric field. So two equation obtain I is equal to NAVD and I is equal to Na E square tau E divided by M. If N, A, E are constant, then I is directly proportional to Vd. But I is equal to NAVD. If I is constant, then total term NAVD is constant. N, E constant, therefore AVD is equal to constant. So from the equation, current and drift velocity are directly proportional. Then mobility. Mobility symbolically written as mu. Mobility means it is the ability. Simply, it is the ability of motion of charge under electric field. Or simply, mathematically, mobility is equal to drift velocity per electric field. But drift velocity Vd is equal to minus E divided by M into tau. Therefore, Vd is equal to E tau divided by M into minus E. This term is equal to mu. So Vd is equal to mu into minus E. So in vector form, Vd drift velocity is a vector quantity. Vd vector is equal to minus mu into E vector taking magnitude. Vd is equal to mu into E minus magnitude plus. So Vd is equal to mu E. Therefore mu is equal to Vd by E. Putting the value of Vd, we get mu is equal to E tau divided by m, where tau is relaxation time. So mobility of an electron is the ratio of drift velocity to the electric field. But we know that I is equal to Na Vd. So putting the value of Vd is equal to mu E, we get I is equal to Na mu E into E. So finally I is equal to Na E mu E. Three equations are obtained for current. I is equal to Na Vd, I is equal to Na E square tau E by m, I is equal to Na E mu E. So simply mobility means the ability to move or be moved freely and easily. Then dimensional formula of mobility. As mobility is equal to drift velocity per electric field, drift velocity dimensional formula m0 L1 t minus 1 and electric field dimensional formula m1 L1 t minus 3a minus 1. So mu is equal to m minus 1 L0 t2 a1. SI unit. Mobility equal to drift velocity per electric field. Drift velocity meter per second and electric field is Newton per coulomb. So mu is equal to meter coulomb divided by Newton second, or mu is equal to Vd by E. Vd is equal to meter per second and E is equal to minus dV by dr. Electric field is equal to negative of potential gradient. Unit of electric field is equal to volt per meter. So therefore other unit of mobility is equal to meter per second, drift velocity equal to meter per second and electric field is equal to volt per meter. So finally unit of mobility is equal to meter square divided by second into volt. So in the next videos I will discuss resistance. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to watch more videos, press bell icon. Thank you so much.